Yo, you know who it is, you know what it is, and you know what to do. Yo, it's your boy Wass. This is Wassnomics. Stop playing. Let's go. Look, hey, how y'all like the new setup, man? I told y'all we getting it in. We're getting it in at Wassnomics Hard Body. Hey, facts is facts. Okay, I know, man. Yo, Wass, where you been? We hadn't seen you in a minute. What's up? Wait. What's up? You punk out? No. I got dreams too, man. I got dreams too. Look here, man. Before we get started, man, I want to let y'all know that we got merchandise, as you can see, in the form of Wassnomic shirts. All right, we're gonna have hats, stickers, all kinds of good things coming up in the future for Wassnomics. So be on the lookout for that, man. And more about the merch. Yeah, more about the merch in the next episode. Okay, so hope everybody had a good weekend. It's Monday. I don't know what's today's date. The 23rd of August. Okay. Hey, the market's been kind of, but then again, we are in the months of August and September, which are the two worst months for the stock market. Okay. But you couldn't tell, not by today's news, right? Everything's up. I believe that the consensus is that 90% of the S&P 500 companies outperformed their expectations in the market. So I think there's some kind of strong recovery coming as far as the as the market. Also, the Feds, aka Jerome Powell and all those guys, Rome. So the Feds, they're going to stop asset purchases, hopefully by the end of this year. Okay, and now so they're purchasing assets to kind of keep the economy kind of like flowing. So the government buys bonds and all those things. But the question is, what do they do after the fact? I wonder if they sell those back. I wonder how that works. The housing market, it's still going crazy. I know we got a couple of of people that are in real estate that are members here of Wassnomics. Hey, feel free to start a housing conversation, you guys, and share your expertise. Because I would like to purchase some property. Not now, when the market cools down. Don't know when that's going to be, but it's ridiculously expensive right now. So that bubble's that moment has come and gone. It'll be back around. History repeats itself. So, what else is going on in the news? Hey man, how's y'all stocks doing? What's up? How's your crypto? Oh man, what did I say a couple weeks ago? Now look, just because I haven't been posting videos, y'all don't think that I hadn't been on my game. Because I have been, sort of, kind of, okay? I'm still in Coinbase jail. I don't know why. I've been in it for months and like pretty much 6 months or something. I've been in Coinbase jail a long time. They won't tell me why. So, okay, fine, whatever. But, like I say, that's why you get you one of these. That's why you get you one of these, you guys. Just in case, your platform happens to do whatever or just something. You'll have your money on this, which is a Ledger Nano S, and it's a crypto wallet. It's just a digital wallet. Here it is. It's a digital wallet. I show this from time to time to let people know. This is for if you have cryptocurrency. This is where you keep your cryptocurrency on. Digital wallet. I'm not going to go into all the details of but I will urge you, if you do own cryptocurrency and you plan on holding it for a long time, right? I'll highly suggest you get a digital wallet. It doesn't have to be Ledger. Tether, Tezer. Tether makes one. Not Tezos, not the cryptocurrency Tezos, but Tether. Not Tezos, Tezer. Tether makes a digital wallet, but this is a Ledger. They make digital wallets. There's a couple more out there. I highly suggest if you get in crypto to hold on for a while, then you might want one of these. Now, this is the perfect time to segue back to the lecture at hand. I knew a while back that, so we were in a slump there for a few months with crypto, specifically Bitcoin. It was in a bear trend, right? But I think we're kind of getting a little bit past that now because we had to reach a specific amount past $47,000. We had to pass that resistance in order for us to break out that kind of slump that we were in and to further excel. And I'm happy to tell you today that Bitcoin is over 50 grand. I'll tell you here in a minute. Bitcoin, it just dropped a little bit. It was like 50 something $1,000. It's $49,796. So we'll just say it's $50K. And I've made a nice little return on some money. But I knew, and how did I know that we were going to take off a little bit? Well, and not that these guys are experts in cryptocurrencies or expert technical analysis from the people that I follow and keep up with on YouTube and just word on the street and the homies. I don't get all my information from one place. I get it from a pool. And a lot of the people say kind of the same things. A lot of the analysis say the same thing. So, okay, that's worth, keeping in the forefront. And so, just like I said that back a month or so ago that Bitcoin is going to dip. Remember I made a video, I said, look, I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. And it was around 30 something. I said, and it was already falling, right? But I said, I'm going to wait and buy some more when it drops because that wasn't the farthest it could drop. I knew it would descend lower because I kept up with the news. So I said, well, I'm going to buy some when it drops into the 20s, which I did. And then I know to break resistance, we had to get like past 40 something, and we did. So, and I knew that it would drop in the 20,000s, and I knew that we had to break a certain resistance to get to where we are now. So if you kind of follow like the news and you kind of follow the patterns of Bitcoin, you kind of know it a little bit. You can it can help you plan or it can kind of help your expectation. Not that I'm going to make any moves or anything. I'd like to, but hey, it is what it is. I think I'm going to contact Coinbase today and let them know that, what's up? Because they told me earlier the year, like it'll be a month before they could review anything. A month came and went, probably a little bit longer. I contacted them again. They tell me the same thing. Oh, it'll be a month before. Like you told me that 2 months ago, but now so it's kind of one of those things. Whatever. But on another note, I got my eBay account back. And that was easy. I just had to talk to a bot on the, well, not a bot, but a live assistant. And give them some information, and it was reinstated like that. So that was no problem. Thank you, eBay. I'm glad you did that. So, the stocks have rebounded. I guess that's enough about cryptocurrency. I don't really have any, Oh, I will say this. And I know you realize this. Bitcoin is the leader of all of this stuff. So when Bitcoin does well, other cryptocurrencies have the tendency to do well also. So I guess what I'm trying to say, man, if I was in the game, if I was in the mix right now, I'd be probably flipping some things and making a little money and riding the wave of things. And yeah, that's how I'd be doing it, man. Because crypto's really, and we're still, like I've been saying, we're still in altcoin season. So all those every coin besides Bitcoin and Ethereum is an altcoin. Okay, so your Uniswaps, your Solaras, your 1inch, your Algorand, your Check Clio, your all of these cryptocurrencies, they're like, and you can make a lot of money. So yeah, I'm not through talking about cryptocurrency. So let's put this in a better perspective. say that you have some crypto tokens that you bought of, some Wassnomics cryptocurrency, okay? And you had, say, 100 of those tokens, and they were $1, okay? Now we'll take that back. Say you had, I don't know, 1,000 tokens at $1, okay? You had 1,000 tokens at $1, and you're just chilling, and it goes up to, we won't even say, we're just using this as an example now. So you had 1,000 tokens of WAS that you bought at $1. You spent $1,000 on Wassnomics or WAS crypto, okay? It goes up to $1.25. It goes up another $1.25. So now instead of $1, it's like, $2.25. So you do the math. You just made $1.25 on. You just made another $1,000 more plus on your cryptocurrency. Now, that's just from $1.25. But let's back it up. So you bought 1,000 tokens of WAS for $1,000. Okay, and it went up 5 cents. You do the math. 5 times 1,000. That's how much money you made. Even just from that small price increase, from that small movement of 5 cents. So if you had 2,000 of them and it went up 5 cents, 3 cents, you do the math. That's how pennies make dollars and all those. So I hope that kind of gives you an idea of like, oh, now I kind of get it. Does that make kind of sense? Of what I'm trying to say is how the money that can be made in cryptocurrency is as little as a few cents can greatly change. A few cents, a few cents change in price movement can easily put you in another tax bracket. Let me repeat that. Bars. A few cents price movement with cryptocurrency can put you in a different tax bracket. And I don't mean a lower one. I mean an upper one. I mean, just from a few cents move, you can make hundreds or thousands of dollars. You don't have to go up $1. You don't have to, just because the coin was $1 and it went up $1, and you decide, no. Theoretically, you might think that's all. I'm going to wait till it goes up another $1. It's like, no. It goes, even if it goes up a few cents, and you got thousands of those tokens, and it goes up a few cents. You take off the top and go back down to your initial investment or whatever, and you're good to go. And you rinse and repeat, as I say. So, I'm just saying, man, there's too many ways to make money in this stuff, man. And I kind of miss being in a crypto game. But that's cool. That's cool. I'm falling back. No big deal. I ain't a hater. I got other things I can put my money in. Trust me. But, man, talking about that cryptocurrency, man, boy, you can make a lot of money quick, fast. You know how to do it. You keep your ear to the street. But I'm gonna tell you right now, man, you gotta watch it. You gotta be almost obsessed with it and watch it constantly because crypto is so volatile. It can you can make thousands of dollars in seconds. But not only that, and I don't say you lose money, I say that you missed an opportunity. So you can make $1,000 in a matter of seconds. Or you can miss an opportunity to have made $1,000 in seconds. You get what I'm saying? That's how I look at it. I don't view it as, oh, you can lose. I've made way much more money than crypto than I have. Well, I made a lot of money in cryptocurrency, man. So way more than I lost, which is minuscule amount. Okay, now I didn't mean to go on the crypto tangent for so long, but hey, we're unscripted here at Wassnomics. This is how we do it. So that's how it's going down. It is what it is, right? Stocks have rebounded. Oil prices have gone a little bit higher. That's a good thing, right? That's what we want. And I don't know. Let's see. Let's find. So, something just happened. I don't know what. because I just made $100. You see what I'm saying, y'all? I'm looking at my stocks. I just made $102. Like, how the hell did I make something? Must be, what's going on? Something's really showing out today. So, whoa, looks like Apple. What's going on today? What did I make what did I make $100 something off of? Because I'm down $13 off Fisker. I'm down $2 off Cybin. I'm down $23 in Robinhood. I'm up $5.90 in ADP. Alba, okay, 25.19. Oh, it's Nvidia. Nvidia, the computer chip fools. That's who that is. That's what's going on today. Hold up. That's who's showing out today. Oh, it's Nvidia and Tesla. That's who's acting a fool today. What's up with Tesla? It's about time, man, because there was like 600. Oh, they shot the fuck up. There was like, excuse me, y'all. There was like $600 something. Right? There was at 7 for a good minute. Then they dropped to like 600. I'm like, oh man, because I paid like a little bit right up around $711 is what I paid, and now it's up to 704. So I'm down -10, but I made $38 today. But overall, I'm down $10. But but that's what's going on today, man. And Apple is really showing out today. Huh. Yeah. Apple is really doing well today. And so is, now let's look at Nvidia. They look like they're up to 215. I paid $184 a share. $34, $144 total return. Okay. So this is cumulative. I made 100. Hey, that's what I like, man. Now, if we can keep this going for the rest of the day, hopefully it won't. I'm sure it'll go down and have its peaks and valleys and all of that good stuff. But hopefully it'll stay around that. That's what I like to have, are $100 days in the market. Those are nice. I know it's not really much change, but it adds up after a while. And for a while there, excuse me, when I first started investing, I was having like $100 days on a regular. And this is pretty early in the morning, man. I don't know. It's like 7:45 here a.m. So it's early here on the west side, right? It's early. But yeah. So hopefully this is hey, hopefully we can keep it going all day, man. I love having those $100 days plus. Those are really nice. You have a good 5-6 days of those in a row. Hey, man, you're doing you're making some nice little money right there. Anyway, man, I think that's it. Is anything else? Anybody else got anything to say? Hey, yo, all the new people, thanks for subscribing. And I know that y'all, I really want to thank y'all for telling your friends and your crew and your family and all that good stuff. Spread the word about Wassnomics, man. I just want everybody to make money and just be financially educated a little bit more than what we are, and definitely a lot more than what I am now. So I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I'm wet behind the ears. I'm a rookie. I'm a newbie. I'm still learning the stock market. I'm not. You gotta be careful not to get a big head just because you made a few dollars in the stock market or a few dollars in cryptocurrency or whatever. That's. I'm still keeping it real is what I'm saying, man. And I don't think that I'm some Billy Badass or some guru or just some, hey, man, I'm just some dude, man, that just knew a little bit about the stock market, been watching it for a decade, saved up a little cash, threw it in the market, made some right moves, made some money, did it again, found out I was pretty good at it. So I just want to share the information, share the knowledge. I don't know everything. But I just want to make a central place where everybody can come and pass along knowledge and just, a community of sorts. That's my main focus for Wassnomics. And it's mainly for people I made this for people who have zero to moderate investing. Well, zero to almost beginner. Zero to almost beginner experience with not even investing but with finance. This is more for finance. All this relates to finance. So stock market's cool, but it's all related to finance, and that's what I'm just trying to get people to to draw to. You don't have to buy precious metals. You don't have to buy cryptocurrencies. You don't even have to buy stocks. You can get an IRA. You can just do other things with your money besides keeping it in a bank account. Besides just keeping your cash in a bank account, because it's not going to grow. It's not going to do anything. Just having cash and just stacking cash and et cetera, et cetera. Oh, man, let me just talk about this, man. Let me talk about this credit card stuff, right? I didn't know that you can get rejected for a credit card because you put in too many credit card applications. That's what they told me. I applied for, like, something. And they're like, yo, you had too many recent inquiries on your credit. Hell, yeah. I know I had a lot of recent inquiries because I've been fucking applying for credit cards like crazy. But anyway, something like whatever. So it's a lot of that. But the point is, man, it's half of me is like, yo, Wass, how did you live so long without a credit card? And then the other half of me is like, why? It's like, why do I need it? The other half of it is kind of like seeing the importance of kind of like having a credit card or just having credit, I guess. It's a weird dichotomy. I mean, it's really strange to me, man. Like, from before then to like now, it's like I just use cash or a debit card or whatever you want to call it. And it's really strange how now, like, at that I've established some credit and I'm getting a credit card, that, like, to use that's just a really big leap for me. Not a leap, but like it's gonna be how can I explain it, man? Because if you've been doing it your whole life, man, it's kind of hard to switch to something new. You know what I mean? It's kind of hard to, like, I don't want to live my life, and I'm not saying this that I am. I'm not saying this with the intent that I am going to do this or that I'm fear this is going to happen. It's not, but just to say that I don't want to have my life revolve around like a credit or just debt or a credit card or a debt or something. If that makes any sense, man, I'm trying to explain it in a way where it makes sense. I mean, I guess if you've had credit cards for years and stuff, and you kind of, I guess it's like the norm, right? Then I guess you're just gonna be used to just, I don't know, man. That's something that's kind of wrapped my head around. Like, you go from that to this. I don't know. If anybody feels what I'm saying, let me know. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's like, instead of using my debit card to pay, instead of using my debit card to pay, like, the phone bill or whatever, the internet bill, and just pay it with like a credit card, and then just pay the credit card, pay that credit card. So that's just going to be just a weird, like, I don't know. I'm just used to just my money, giving it to somebody, paying something, and then, but as opposed to just having a third party, a fourth party, however many, another party involved. Oh, man. So, I don't know. It's just weird, man. And I'll probably just, I got a gas card, and I have just two credit cards that are on the way. One I'm going to keep, one I'm going to use. And then it's like, then there's questions that I have also, like, say if I get a credit card, like, for, $400 spending limit or whatever, and I spend that $400 on a credit card, and I pay that $400 off. Can I just get rid of that credit card? I don't still need that credit card. I mean, I'm just trying to build up my credit. So if I got something, I'm not talking about immediately, but over time, bought stuff and just paid the whole balance of the credit card off. Boom. Is it best to just like keep it or just to get rid of it? Because I thought the point was if you get your credit and then you pay your card off, you're good. Excuse me. But I think that how it works is if you do pay your balance off in the card or you pay the whole card off, then they just give you more money and it starts over again. But it's like, I don't know, man. It's just really, that's a really strange concept for me, man. This whole weird credit card thing, I guess. But whatever, man. It's the American way, right? You know, and then, oh, man, y'all are lucky. Y'all are real lucky, dude. Because I was about to take a small chronic break, but I ain't got a lighter, and I'm not gonna go get up just to go get a lighter. Let's be real. I'm not gonna do that, man. Yo, it's your boy Wassnomics, man. Hey, yo, tell a friend about Wassnomics. Okay, share the link with mugs. You feel me? Go to the description of Wassnomics. Links for free Bitcoin, crypto, free stocks, etc., etc. You all know how that works, man. Hey, how you Dogecoin holders doing out there, man? What's up with y'all? Let me know what's going on, man. Confirm power mode change. Charging the selected menu function may increase the power consumption of this monitor. Confirm. What the hell? What? I don't know how the hell to get that off. What is this? What is this? All right. Anyway, yo, it's your boy Was. This has been Wassnomics, man. Hope you have a great week, good day, even better week. Remember, man, y'all real estate mugs, leave some comments, man, and you know, let's get it popping in this mug, man. Hey, I'm out, man. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. What else can I say, goddamn me?